Lost order. Supply not awarded. Rejected proposal. Potential customers telling you that you lost yet another order is becoming a bad trend. However, it's not your fault if your company keeps getting dealt a bad hand and fails to win orders. In fact, as long as competitors produce in low-cost countries, paying little for employees, energy, and raw materials, it has become practically impossible for your company to be competitive on price. And the alternatives on the table to improve the situation are always the same, and none of them are satisfactory. Relocate and also take your company abroad to reduce production costs. Continue plodding on as you have done up till now, using machines that have already been depreciated and knowing, however, that it won't last much longer. Cross your fingers and wait for the government to help you. If you too have already come to these conclusions, it's normal that you feel trapped and hit a dead end. But if instead we told you that there is a way to lower the cost per part and thus start winning order after order, cutting energy consumption by 50%, reducing the required skilled workforce by half, saving on equipment costs, occupying 1/3 of the space. All this without relocating your production. It's not something too good to be true. These are exactly the results you will get thanks to the innovative machining center with 3 independent spindles, the new frontier of production technology that is already replacing common machining centers in battery. Thanks to a machining center with 3 independent spindles, you can produce 3 times faster than you can with a single machine today, effectively multiplying your productivity and reducing the cost per part. And for your business, it means becoming competitive on price and winning more orders. Exactly as has happened to many companies that have already included a machining center with 3 independent spindles in their machining operations for materials such as steel, cast iron, aluminum, and brass, in sectors such as automotive, truck, hydraulics, oil and gas, energy, earth moving. We were unable to deal with the increased workload. Now, without hiring other technicians, we produce more. We found that productivity is, on average, 3 times higher than before. Today, we are much faster in delivering, and we have cut production costs. Now, compared to 3 machining centers in battery, we are more competitive in terms of cycle time. Machining center with 3 independent spindles is a real technological revolution, about which also the main national and international magazines in the machine tool industry have started to shine the spotlight. Now the time has come for your company to retire the obsolete machining centers in battery that require too much manpower, consume excessive energy, take up a lot of space, and which, for all these reasons, make you lose orders with each passing day. Find out how to reduce the cost per part and start winning more orders thanks to the machining center with 3 independent spindles. Contact our tutor at the following email, tutor@portaproduction.com.